If you're like me and have 14 pounds of tomatoes just sitting around that you grew or that you got from your farmer's market, don't let them go to waste. I'm going to show you how you can make a flavorful and rich stewed tomato that you'll have throughout the summer and maybe through the winter. Let's get started. So these are a variety of tomatoes that I grew so far, and we are going to peel them. I'm going to place them in a hot water bath and for a few seconds, and then peel them, core them. So I've placed an X or cut an X in the bottom of each tomato. Perhaps you can see it. And I'm going to drop it into the hot water. We're going to leave it in there anywhere from 15 to 20 seconds. And then we're going to take them out and drop them into cool water and peel the skins off. So here we have several varieties of tomatoes that were grown in the garden. I've already peeled a large portion of them. And if you haven't peeled tomatoes before, I'll show you how to do that momentarily. We also have some garlic grown in the garden. We have onions and bell pepper, which were also grown in the garden. And we have store-bought celery. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Moses, and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. On this channel, we share gardening tips, cooking tips, ideas, and DIY stuff. So if that appeals to you, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to use 14 pounds of tomatoes to make stewed tomatoes, and I'll show you the ingredients. So after the tomatoes come out of the hot water, I place them in a sink full of ice and cool water to stop the cooking process. And prior to that, I had taken my knife and put a slit in the bottom of the tomato. You can then just peel the skin back like this. And then get your knife or core, if you have one, and cut the core of the tomato out. So all of our tomatoes have been peeled and cored. And in case you're wondering what I'm going to do with the peels and cores, they're going to go into my Vago recycling container, and we're going to turn that into compost. Next up is sauteing our aromatics. So here are the aromatics. We have bell pepper, onion, and celery. And we're just going to drop that in here. And we're going to saute these until they're translucent. You're going to add a little salt. Some some black pepper. Some black pepper. Some garlic powder. And some onion powder. You can add any seasonings that you like. Now, once these get close to being translucent, I'm going to add the garlic into it, and we're going to move quickly from there because you don't want the garlic to burn. It'll have a pretty bitter taste. I wish you could smell. It smells so fragrant. And we're going to place this into our roasting pot. So I'm going to add my seasonings to the tomatoes. And right first, I'm going to add Italian seasonings. Some more onion powder. Some more garlic powder. Some black pepper. And a little salt. And we're going to put our lid on and let everything cook or simmer for, like I said. Stewed tomatoes are ideal for chili, vegetable soup, spaghetti sauce, chicken and rice, beef stew, goulash, casseroles, and slow cooker meals. Now, there are 3 storage methods that you can use. You can refrigerate after it cools down. You can freeze them in 1-gallon bags, and you can can them. That's all there is to making homemade stewed tomatoes. It's simple, packed with flavor, and a fantastic way to preserve tomatoes that you grew. What's your favorite way to use the stewed tomatoes? If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself and use that food in the kitchen, but one thing I can't do is grow the channel without your help. If you enjoy seeing this type of content as well as receiving tips on gardening, then this is the place for you. I'll see you in the next one.